All right, let's talk about something that feels like a real-life superpower. You know what I'm talking about. Cats. How do they seem to just defy gravity, always landing on their feet? We're going to break down this incredible feat of nature because it's this amazing mix of evolution and physics, all happening faster than you can blink.
So, how do they always land on their feet? I mean, it's the question every single one of us has asked, right? You've seen those viral videos, maybe you've even dropped your jaw watching it happen in your own backyard. The cat takes a tumble, and then, bam! This impossible-looking split-second twist in midair, and they stick the landing perfectly. Seriously, how do they do that?
Well, you know, as much as it looks like pure magic, the answer isn't something out of a fantasy novel. It's actually this incredible combination of super specialized biology and some really, really clever physics. And that's the key thing to remember here. Cats aren't breaking the laws of physics, they're just absolute masters at using them.
All right, let's get into it. How do they pull off this amazing trick? We're going to unravel what is honestly one of nature's coolest survival mechanisms.
Okay, so this whole thing has a name. It's called the righting reflex, and it's basically a cat's built-in system, this deep, deep instinct that lets it know, hey, I'm upside down, then rotates its entire body and get its legs in position for a safe landing, and it does all of this while it's falling. Just amazing.
And get this, what's really wild is how crazy early this skill develops. Little kittens start figuring it out at just 3 or 4 weeks old. And by the time they're 6 or 7 weeks old, they pretty much perfected it. It's a skill that's just hardwired into them for life.
So what's actually in their biological toolkit that makes all this possible? Well, to get it, you got to look at their anatomy. This is the stuff that gives them that perfect fall advantage.
Okay, first things first. Before a cat can even think about fixing its position, it has to know it's in the wrong position to begin with, right? So, while it's tumbling through the air, how in the world does its brain figure out which way is up?
The answer, believe it or not, is in the inner ear. Cats have this incredibly sophisticated system called the vestibular system. And you can just think of it like a biological gyroscope. It's got all this fluid and tiny little crystals inside that sense every little shift in movement and gravity. It's what instantly tells the brain, okay, that way is up.
So the brain knows which way is up. Now, the body has to actually do something about it. And this is where a cat's secret weapon comes in, its insane flexibility. I mean, they have this super flexible spine, and, this is a big one, they don't have a rigid collarbone like we do. That lets them twist and turn in ways that are just impossible for us.
And just to put that into perspective, check this out. Cats have more than 40 vertebrae in their spine. We humans, we only have 33. That extra length and flexibility basically turns their spine into a giant twisty spring. It's absolutely crucial for that mid-air maneuver.
Okay, so we've got the gyroscope in the ear and the super flexible body. Now, for the main event. Let's dig into the physics of how they actually pull off that mind-bending mid-air twist. This is the coolest part. A falling cat doesn't just spin its whole body at once. No way. It does something much smarter. It basically splits its body into two. You got the front half and the back half, and it moves them totally independently of each other. So, here's how it works. The cat bends right in the middle, then it twists its front half one way, while at the exact same time twisting its back half the opposite way. It is just an incredible feat of coordination. And here's the physics trick. Those two opposing twists cancel each other out. It's a principle called balancing angular momentum. It's what allows them to completely reorient themselves without pushing off of anything. Think of a gymnast or figure skater pulling in their arms to spin faster. It's that same kind of physics at play. Okay, that explains the body twist. But what about the tail? A lot of people think the tail is the secret sauce, right? Like it's acting as a propeller or something. But is that really what's going on? Well, the tail is definitely helpful, for sure. It acts more like a rudder on a boat, helping to fine-tune the balance. But, and this is the key part, it's not essential. Tailless cats, like a Manx, are just as good at this. They just compensate by using their lower spine a little more. Pretty cool, huh? So, once they're right side up, it's all about sticking the landing. They shoot all 4 legs straight down, they arch their back to absorb that initial impact, they even spread out their legs to act like a mini parachute. And when they hit the ground, their joints bend like perfect built-in shock absorbers. It's just a flawless system.
Okay, so all of this makes perfect sense for, falling off a couch. But this is where the story gets really weird and fascinating. It leads us to something that scientists call the high fall paradox. And it's going to sound completely backward, but here it is. Studies have actually shown that cats often survive falls from greater heights, we're talking 7 stories or more, better than they do from shorter drops.
Wait, what? How is that even possible? How can falling from higher up actually be safer? It just doesn't make any sense.
Well, there are actually a few reasons. For one, a higher fall just gives the cat more time to get the whole righting reflex done perfectly. But more importantly, after falling a certain distance, the cat hits what's called terminal velocity. That's the point where it stops accelerating. And when that happens, the cat can actually relax. It spreads its body out wide, kind of like a flying squirrel, to create as much air resistance as possible, and just prepares for a much more controlled impact.
So, you see, when you put it all together, the biological gyroscope in the ear, the super springy spine, the mastery of physics, it really isn't magic. It's just a perfectly designed survivor, shaped by millions of years of evolution.
Now, before we finish, I have to say something really important. This reflex is incredible, but it is not a superpower. Cats are not invincible. They can, and they absolutely do, get seriously hurt from falls. So please, always make sure your windows are secure and your cats are safe.
So, I want to leave you with this final thought. When we see a cat falling, we see panic. But for the cat, it's not panic, it's calculation. In that split second, it's sensing, rotating, positioning, and executing. It's a beautiful dance of biology and physics working in perfect, breathtaking harmony.